Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Never Lie. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we'll continue reading. Yesterday we read a part, so we'll continue reading and understanding the text. And before this, we have already practiced to look at the picture in story and predict what the story is about. So we learn further to predict story by looking at pictures in text. Use pictures to increase understanding. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 119. Allah will say, this is the day when the truthful will benefit from their truthfulness. For them are gardens in paradise beneath which rivers flow, wherein they will abide forever, Allah being pleased with them and they with Him. That is the great attainment. Yes, my dear students, as I told you yesterday, what this beautiful verse is telling us, to reach to paradise, to reach to Jannah, one of the golden key is to telling the truth. Always speak the truth. This is what we are learning from this story as well. So before starting reading, you tell me, what did the father advise to Munnu? Where were Munnu and his father walking, and where was the car crashed? Who lied to his father? These are the questions from the text we read yesterday. So now pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you answered all the questions. And did you predict this story? Yesterday I gave you homework. So now let's match your prediction with this story. All of you, open your book on page number 49. Till this point, without glasses, we read yesterday. From this sentence, I'm going to start reading. Listen carefully because after me, you will read it. The boy was parking the car. He hit the car in the bookstore. The father of that boy was seriously injured. So who hit the car into the bookstore? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, who hit the car? The boy who was driving the car. He hit the car in the bookstore and it resulted how? His father was injured, like he got many wounds and he was badly injured. Munnu's father looked at Munnu and said, see, my dear child, telling a lie is so harmful. You can learn a lesson from this accident. Munnu realized and promised to stop lying. Now Munnu realized it, like by telling a lie, how dangerous it could be, and he promised he will not lie again. So what we learned, what is the moral of this story? Never tell a lie, right? So we should never tell a lie, but it's very dangerous. How? First of all, it's dangerous for the person who tells it and for others as well. This is what we learned from this story. So that's it about the story. It's your turn. Pause the video, read the story again, match your prediction with the story, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with reading? Good job. So it's time for your homework. Here is a comprehension. These are the sentences from your story, and these are the options. So you will complete these sentences by selecting the correct option. This is your homework. You will do it in your book. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet Lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you will do, you will look at the picture and you will write the answers of these questions about this picture in this worksheet. So in this way, what we have learned today, we predicted the story by looking at the pictures. We read the story, we compared our predicted story with the text, and we realized that with pictures, we can understand text more easily. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to predict story by looking at pictures in text and use pictures to increase understanding. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.